A list of the best high-fat foods for keto. Keto is one of the most popular diet plans nowadays for losing weight and restoring a healthy body. When following keto, it is important to fuel your body by consuming a range of healthy fats on a daily basis. Fats not only provide energy to the body, but also contain fat-soluble nutrients, including vitamins A, D, E, K, and K2. In today's video, we will share with you a list of the best 15 high-fat and low-carb foods for keto dieting. 1. Avocado. Avocados are one of the most nutrient-dense fat sources on the planet. This fruit helps to lower inflammation in the body, boost energy levels, and speed up weight loss. These are loaded with vitamin E, C, K, B5, potassium, and magnesium. 2. Salmon and sardines. These are two of the best sources of omega-3 fats, which heal the body internally, especially when trying to lose weight. Eating wild-caught fish with omega-3s lowers inflammation and improves the health of the central nervous system. 3. Pecan nuts. Pecans are some of the best nuts to consume on keto because they are high in monounsaturated fat and are very low in carbs. Pecans are full of vitamin E and beta-carotene for fighting the effects of aging. 4. Eggs. Eggs contain all the building blocks of life and are a balanced source of protein and fat. The yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient which helps to strip away fat from the liver and rapidly boost fat burning in the body. They are also excellent for building muscle tissue. 5. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is recommended to use in salad dressings. It is rich in oleic acid, a type of fat which activates pathways for burning more fat in the body. It also helps you to absorb more nutrients from leafy greens. 6. Cod liver oil. Virgin cod liver oil is hands down the best source of vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids on the planet. This is the best supplement for improving brain health and protecting the eyes from degeneration. It also supports a strong immune system. 7. Beef. Fattier cuts of meat such as ribeye or New York strip steak are excellent for the ketogenic diet. Rich in B vitamins, this supports the development of healthy muscles and provides energy. When using ground beef, choose the fattier variety of 80 to 20% lean. 8. Butter. Pure grass-fed butter or ghee are two of the best sources of fat available. Use these instead of easy spreads and margarines, as these can cause inflammation and a fatty liver. Pure butter is an amazing source of vitamin A to protect the eyes, skin, and hair. 9. Coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil has a high smoke point and is excellent for cooking with, instead of using vegetable oil. This provides an alternative fuel source for the body as it is rich in MCTs. This helps you to achieve mental focus, a healthy heart, and a strong overall body. 10. Chia seeds. The perfect keto snack, chia seeds are packed full of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fat. Aztec warriors would carry these in a pouch and consume 1 tablespoon before battle. These are true energy boosters for keto and also help to stabilize blood sugar levels. 11. Cacao nibs. Cacao nibs are a form of unprocessed raw chocolate and works well in keto recipes. These have a high fat content and are a great source of copper and magnesium. The omega-7 fats in cocoa help to reduce insulin resistance in the body so that you can burn more body fat for fuel. 12. MCT oil. Medium chain triglyceride oil is one of the most keto-friendly fat sources. You can add a little to your coffee or salad dressings to help boost energy levels. MCTs are an instant source of fuel for brain cells and are very easily absorbed. 13. European cheese. European grass-fed cheese is a wonderful fat source on the ketogenic diet. Rich in vitamins A, E, K, and K2, cheese helps calcium to be absorbed into the bones, teeth, and nails. It also contains proteins and fatty acids which improve brain health. 14. Almond butter. Organic almond butter is perfect for keto recipes such as fat bombs. A teaspoon of this can help to satisfy cravings and provide a host of important minerals that speed up weight loss. 15. Mayonnaise. You can easily make a keto-friendly mayonnaise at home which is high in fat and low in carbs. This is made using egg yolk, Dijon mustard and olive oil. You can use this mayo as a wonderful dipping sauce for healthy keto recipes. As you can see, there are many high-fat foods that you can consume on keto to provide energy and nutrients. A few high-fat foods we didn't mention, which are also keto-friendly, are hemp hearts, walnuts, anchovies, pine nuts, avocado oil, tuna, flaxseed, mackerel, herring, and sunflower seeds. When eating meat, try to look for high-quality grass-fed animal sources which have not been processed or cured like hot dogs. Avoid processed foods as these tend to be loaded with unhealthy trans fats. Trans fats slow the effects of keto and cause inflammation and damage to the liver and heart. Wild-caught fish like salmon and sardines are some of the highest quality fat sources which we recommend consuming at least twice per week. Omega-3s are amazing for reducing inflammation, reversing insulin resistance, and reducing pain. Be careful with store-bought salad dressings as these tend to have high amounts of sugar and contain unhealthy fats such as soy oil or vegetable oil. Healthy salad dressings can be made at home using virgin avocado or olive oil. High-fat salad dressings help to pull more nutrients out of salad vegetables for better absorption and weight loss. To learn more about low-carb foods and the keto diet, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.